Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to dive into, the latest and greatest in AI technology. That's right, we are talking about ChatGPT 5. If you've ever wondered about the future of conversation and artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our tech explorations. So, what exactly is ChatGPT 5? Well, imagine having a conversation with an AI that feels like chatting with a knowledgeable friend. That's the magic of ChatGPT 5. It's the latest iteration of OpenAI's groundbreaking language model, designed to understand and generate human-like text. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, seeking information, or just looking for a good chat, ChatGPT 5 is here to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Now, you might be wondering, what sets ChatGPT 5 apart from its predecessors? Well, let me tell you, there are some seriously impressive upgrades. ChatGPT 5 will be a state-of-the-art language model that makes it feel like you are communicating with a person rather than a machine. With its iteability to understand intent and fulfill users' needs, ChatGPT is already making waves in the technology industry. GPT-5 will be the fifth iteration of the GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer, language model developed by OpenAI, which shows a massive leap in the field of natural language processing. This model, with its ability to understand and generate human-like text, has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and automate various language-based tasks. GPT-5 model will be able to solve difficult problems with greater accuracy, thanks to its broader general knowledge and problem-solving abilities. OpenAI's ChatGPT 5 is the next-generation AI model that is currently in active development. While specific details about its capabilities are not yet fully disclosed, it is expected to bring significant improvements over the previous versions. ChatGPT 5, like its predecessors, is anticipated to be used for a wide range of tasks. These include engaging conversations, gaining insights, automating tasks, and more. It is also expected to have enhanced capabilities for creating images simply by describing them. While specifics remain under wraps, several exciting possibilities surround ChatGPT 5's features. Here are some of the most anticipated advancements. Enhanced reasoning and problem solving. ChatGPT 5 might be able to tackle complex problems and generate creative solutions that go beyond simple text manipulation. Multimodal capabilities. ChatGPT 5 could potentially process and respond to information from various sources, including images, audio, and video. Improved safety and bias mitigation. OpenAI is continuously working on ensuring the responsible development of AI. ChatGPT 5 might incorporate advanced safety features to minimize bias and prevent misuse. First off, ChatGPT 5 has been supercharged with even more data, meaning it's smarter and more knowledgeable than ever before. Whether you're discussing quantum physics or your favorite TV show, ChatGPT 5 has got you covered. Plus, thanks to advancements in natural language processing, ChatGPT 5 is better at understanding context and nuance. That means more accurate responses and more natural conversations. And perhaps most exciting of all, ChatGPT 5 has a knack for creativity. That's right, it can generate original ideas, stories, and even jokes on the fly. Get ready to be entertained. So, how can you put ChatGPT 5 to use in your everyday life? The possibilities are truly endless. Need help with homework? ChatGPT 5 can provide explanations and examples. Planning a trip? ChatGPT 5 can offer recommendations and travel tips. Feeling lonely? ChatGPT 5 is always up for a chat, day or night. But don't just take my word for it, hear from some real users who have unlocked the full potential of ChatGPT 5. As amazing as ChatGPT 5 is right now, the future holds even more possibilities. Imagine a world where AI assistants like ChatGPT 5 help us solve complex problems, foster creativity, and deepen our understanding of the world around us. With ChatGPT 5 leading the way, that future is closer than you think. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the incredible world of ChatGPT 5. Don't forget to leave a comment letting us know your thoughts, and be sure to share this video with anyone who's as fascinated by AI as we are. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring the wonders of technology. Thanks for watching.